A powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar today, causing widespread destruction and significant loss of life. The quake's epicenter was near Mandalay, Myanmar's second-largest city, leading to severe damage in the region. At least 144 people have been reported dead, with over 700 injured. The earthquake caused the collapse of buildings in multiple cities and towns, including Mandalay and Sagaing. Notably, the historic Ava Bridge over the Irrawaddy River was destroyed. Thailand also got impacted. In Bangkok, approximately 600 miles from the epicenter, the tremors led to the collapse of a high-rise building under construction, resulting in at least 8 deaths and many more trapped under the debris.